discussion topic is prenup agreements, whether it's a growing need or an unnecessary import. We have Mr. Atul, Ms. Shabla, Ms. Malika, Ms. Ochitya with us. So I would request everyone to give a brief introduction, then we can start the discussion. Atul sir,
So
we'll go with
I am a chartered accountant and a lawyer, but I'm practicing as a chartered accountant. I am into litigation of income tax GST, and I had been in practice since 1975. And I'm interested in all kinds of new legal things, that the way the things are changing and what our forefathers had written have some value even today.
you. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much, Shabla ji.
Okay, I'm Shabla Mathur, and I'm happy to be part of this session. I come from journalism background. I have worked with Tehelga.com, with Z News, and then after that I got into corporate world as Corpcom manager Corpcom, and I was also looking after the editorial department. And later on, with in a I wanted to start my second innings because that was always can you guys see me?
No.
Hello.
Yes, now.
Now we
Huh.
can see you.
Okay, okay. So I always wanted to do this law. This was always a very it was my dream. It was my dream profession, but couldn't do it because I was too much into journalism that time. So now so I did my graduation. I'm a law graduate now. I cleared my AIB exam. Uh, the this one only, the recent one, and I'm soon looking forward to the litigation after I get enrolled.
Okay.
Litigation, civil or criminal?
I think not guess. I think it will be criminal because there are so many cases that I'm already I already want to be part of in my even in my circle. So people are dealing with certain issues which are criminal in nature. So I will go for criminal for now.
Okay. Thank you, Shabla ji. Malika, let's go next to you.
Yes, hello. So I'm Malika and I'm a law graduate and I did litigation for some time, but I feel that now I need to shift to corporate. So I am enrolled in the CS executive program for the time being. Let's see where life takes us.
All right.
Thank you, Yashika. Thank you.
So now moving to Achitya.
Hello everyone, my name is Achatya Sinha and I am just a usual corporate employee. I'm not directly related to the legal, procedures and all of that background. My basic interest to join this discussion was basically that this is something which is social and directly related to our very much day-to-day life and since we are making a discussion here where we could kind of make our marital institution better by giving it a legal backing, so that was my major reason to participate in this discussion. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Achitya. So now we will start with the questions, not questions to judge your knowledge, but it is just for you to give your opinion around it. So my first question is, should prenups be legally recognized and enforceable in India? So who would like to take this up? I would ask.
I'll take this up.
Sure.
So, so the long-standing definition of marriage has now evolved, as we've all seen with with the litigation that has come in, with the evolving jurisprudence that has come in. I was surprised to read about. I've read this like a couple of weeks ago that originally bride burning was not considered. जैसे कि अगर कोई नई नवेली दुल्हन आती है और उनको जला दिया जाता है। तो ये डाउरी लेने देने की डेफिनेशन में ही शुरुआत में कंसिडर नहीं होता था। तो ये 30 इयर्स लगे जहाँ पे दो नई नवेली ब्राइड्स को जलाया गया 1960s में, बिकॉज वो 1960s में हुआ। देयर मदर स्टिल देयर लास्ट ब्रेथ फॉट फॉर दीज women to get bride burning due to dowry incorporated as a part of dowry law, and it has come in 30 years after the law being passed, which is very surprising. So I feel that prenup is important for everyone to protect their assets, whether it is the male or it is the female, because like we've said, male and female both are earning, they're independent, they're capable. Some people can bring in their business, all their assets as a part of a marital commitment, and the other person just walks away, say with 50% or eyes 50% just because things are not working, say within the couple of very few first couple of months, say 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. And you know, not just they eye the assets, they will put in false cases also just so that they can frustrate the person and to extract money. So I did read up a little about how US functions, because I believe that we do take up a lot of we do take up a lot of support of US laws while drafting a lot of our laws. So I saw that they look at the belt and suspenders approach, wherein they see what each party brings into the table. Like, for example, whichever party, whether the male or the female, whoever quits their job in order to put uh, put themselves forward in this marital partnership, that is also considered. If they give up their job, say in order to support the child's career, that is also looked into. If someone moves, say their career from one state to the another to to enter into the marital agreement, if one is a founder, one is an employee, so all of those things, the committee principle, what do you bring to the table, what was the arrangement before, and what is the arrangement that is going to be, are they going to take care of each other's parents, if they were giving money earlier to each of their parents, all of that would be highlighted. Also, the US courts say that anything against public policy is not allowed. There are circumstances in which they can waive off their rights to spousal support, but due to paucity of time, I couldn't get to it. Over to Ms. Yashika, or anybody who would like to take the lead. Thank you so much.
I want to ask Malika one question.
Yes,
You said that it should be made a part of the law.
yes,
Pre-inhibition should be made
part of the
official and
law.
legalized.
Yes.
How far do you think the Dowry Act has been effective? Because
Okay.
this pre-inhibitor requirement is coming only because of the dowry deaths and because of the women and men both. I will not name only
Yes.
one gender,
Yes.
but men and women both taking advantage of the other situation and frustrating the courts into carrying on the.
Sir, if I may add, the courts are being frustrated for rightfully in a lot of cases, and not rightfully in a lot of cases. And even the matters are going to Supreme Court and they are dragging. In some matters, the Supreme Court also says that, please resolve. Okay, there is no point of dragging this. Or and in some cases, I don't understand why the Supreme Court says that, because just because you are old, you are supposed to live with each other. That is not the right thing. So, especially if you are old, if you're of advanced age, say 60, 65, and both the spousal parties are well to do, and if they can have their own separate living arrangements, they should be allowed to part their ways. They should not be forced in their sunset years, because of probably their in-laws or their child rearing duties. They should be allowed to live in peace if they can. if they can.
Malika, let me interrupt you. Sorry. You see, because the Dowry Act has been misused,
I agree. I totally agree.
which the courts have felt that 90% of the dowry cases instituted by the women. This
Hmm.
jurisprudence has come recently that the courts have realized that 90% of the dowry cases are fake. And in fact, Supreme Court made a categorical statement and instruction to all the lower courts that they should, without inquiry, should not involve all the family members. So I am wondering how much the prenuptial agreement legalization is going to help. The only thing it is going to help is that it is going to crystallize the amount that the partition at the time of dissolution of the marriage or partition of the, that is why living together has become so prevalent nowadays, and the government has legalized the living together also. So I am wondering what benefit it is going to give. And I think I
Okay.
will hand it over to Sabla.
Yes, sir. Sir, I couldn't get your question.
My question is that Dowry Act has been misused. Now, dowry was made a, it was a social evil, and the government legalized it that dowry should not be allowed. Dowry should be banned. Now, even then, the Dowry Act has been
Yes.
blatantly flouted, and the courts have are flooded with cases with dowries.
Yes, sir.
And the courts have felt that 90% of the cases being dragged into the courts are fake. The court, I have, because I had been in litigation for several years, and some of
Mm-hmm.
my colleagues who were doing law with me have become judges. And I was speaking
Mm-hmm.
with one lady judge who is the in charge of women court. She said we can make out that this woman is telling the lie. But unfortunately or fortunately, our judicial system is based on evidence. So they say because there is no evidence, or if I'm going to hit my wife, I'm going to hit her in the bedroom in the privacy. How will she be asked to produce a witness? This is simply ridiculous. And these dowries are being asked for in front of the entire Biradri, Baratis, and Gharatis, and everybody, and nobody takes an action. So, my question is now, dowry has been banned legally, but even then it is prevalent. So, how far legalizing the prenuptial agreements is going to help? This is my question. Am I right, Malika?
Yes, sir. Some people marry solely for the purpose that, that they will put a dowry case on the spouse's family. They will put false case on their family members, and they will extract an alimony or a settlement. Even that is noted in a lot of cases. So one facet of introducing this prenuptial agreement could be that people who are marrying solely for this reason would not enter into the process then. Things could be a little better because then those people would know that, upon dissolution or upon things going forward, things would not be as smooth as it would be in the absence of a prenuptial agreement.
So prenup agreement will make it more smooth and prevent
Difficult.
such happenings if the
Such
Yes.
such
Yes.
fraudulent people into entering into the
yes,
marriage.
Malika,
yes,
you have
Yes.
gone through
Now I
some
think.
American laws. Do you know that in the US, if the marriage dissolves within 3 years, then nothing is divided? You
yes.
must be aware
Uh,
of that.
they
I
have
haven't
They,
come
so,
across this. I haven't come across this point, but this is yes. All right. Okay. So I have had just very few examples of famous celebrities like Tom Cruise and Katie Holmes that they had a clause in their prenup. So every year Miss Holmes is married to Mr. Cruise. Every year, if the marriage sustains, supposedly it dissolves, she gets a certain amount of US dollars in millions. If it comes to dissolution, it has come to that. That every year you stay with me, you sustain, and you're good, then life is good. If not, then you get certain compensation for my bad behavior.
you see, that prenup agreement was very much criticized because it was considered that he is paying her to live with her. It is a
Yes.
In fact, it is a motivation for her to continue the marriage.
Continue the marriage.
And they said it is more or less a legalized prostitution. Even this was in the newspaper
Yes.
that this is one kind of a legal prostitution. So these kind of prenup agreements are, they are a taboo in India at
It's,
least.
please.
It is. It is a taboo in India, but sir, our courts are very, very conscionable about the fact that anything that goes through a verse of public policy will not be allowed. So obviously, something like this will never see the light of the day, and none of the lawyers in their right mind will allow this clause to even go through. Nobody will even agree. Here, at least.
Yashika, your take?
Yes, definitely. Because this is under Indian legal system or under Indian cultural system. I don't think this is practically possible to include such clauses in the prenup. Bringing prenup itself is a taboo, and then putting such clauses, it will be too much.
See, my take on this is prenups, the prenup agreements. कहीं ना कहीं ये these are very important for the transparency. इसमें क्या होता है कि financial transparency is very important. So कहीं ना कहीं जब ये एग्रीमेंट साइन होते हैं तो इवन दो यस आई एग्री विद सर दैट डाउरी प्रोहिबिशन एक्ट के तहत डाउरी जो है वो बैन कर दी गई है लेकिन फिर भी ये प्रैक्टिस में है लेकिन लेकिन अगर हम ये पीनअप एग्रीमेंट्स को मतलब कंप्लीटली ये अगर इम्प्लीमेंट कर दी जाते हैं अप्लाई कर दिए जाते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं ट्रांसपेरेंसी होगी जिसकी वजह से ये डाउरी की प्रॉब्लम बहुत हद तक रिजॉल्व हो सकती है बहुत हद तक मीन्स I cannot quote a percentage to how much can it help, but yes, to a good extent. Because see, during a bitter divorce, the husband sometimes, they refuse to return certain items to the wives, right, leading to the bride's family to file criminal dowry harassment cases. You see, these are the basis of डाउरी केसेस राइट अगर कुछ ये कि तो इसमें लेकिन अगर प्रीनअप एग्रीमेंट उसमें पहले से होएगा तो उसमें ये ट्रांसपेरेंसी होएगी कि एवरी पीस ऑफ ज्वेलरी एवरी कैश अमाउंट और प्रॉपर्टी ब्रॉट इनटू द मैरिज उसको लेके ट्रांसपेरेंसी रहेगी क्योंकि ये लिस्ट होता है फिर it acts as a clear record so the woman can easily she can reclaim in fact वो तो उसका है तो उसका rightful assets उसको मिल जाएंगे
Call it freedom.
You see, the problem is no man or woman at the time of billing is ready to open up its confidential information. I, being a chartered accountant, am seeing that whenever I have suggested prenup agreements, so the groom or bride's father they say, अच्छा इनको सब कुछ बताना पड़ेगा हमारे पास क्या क्या है. So that is one reluctant side which
Yes.
objects कि ये सब हम क्यों बताएं और किसको बताएं अब पता नहीं शादी निपटी भी है कि नहीं they start with that kind of a feeling so that is what I'm saying pre-nup agreement that what I had suggested in one or two cases that pre-nup agreement should say कि आज तक जो जिसका उसका रहेगा अब के बाद जो common earning होगी that should be shared but nobody agreed to it they say नहीं लड़की का तो हक होता है ये so that kind of practical difficulty when you face because the pre-nup agreement if it is to be legalized the act will have to specify each and everything because law doesn't care आपके पास क्या है क्या नहीं है आपने दिखाया कि नहीं दिखाया है उसकी वैल्यू आपने 10 लाख दिखाई है कि 1 करोड़ को 10 लाख दिखाई है the law doesn't care so when an act is formed the legislature in the best interest of the general public as Malika would use the word public interest the legislature in its intent and its wisdom introduces certain things which it feels or so what kind of laws are being made and how they are implemented because जो बनाते हैं उनको लॉ पता नहीं है जो उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं दे डोंट केयर अबाउट द लॉ और जिनके ऊपर इम्प्लीमेंट किया जाता है उनको लॉ पता नहीं होता दैट इज द मोस्ट अनफॉर्चुनेट सिनेरियो दैट वी आर फेसिंग तो अगर आप उस तरह से लेके चलोगे तो इसके ऊपर कोई ना कोई मिड वे निकालना पड़ेगा जो अभी तक निकल नहीं सका है इट हैज बीन द इंटेंशन ऑफ द लेजिस्लेचर फॉर ए लॉन्ग लॉन्ग टाइम कि इस चीज को यहीं पर खत्म किया जाए। और डाउरी एक्ट के अंदर भी अगर एक भी लड़की खड़ी होकर कह दे कि भैया तुमने, बिकॉज इट हैज हैपेंड इन ए फ्यू केसेस इन आगरा, आई वाज रीडिंग लास्ट वीक इन द न्यूज़पेपर that the girl she made a point and she got the Bharati, quite a few people arrested because they were demanding dowry. But after that, the problem here is that nobody wants to marry her. That kind of a situation comes, so the girl side is very reluctant to even invoke the dowry act.
I
So our
understand.
mindset has to change first of all. Before, law can be introduced anytime, but who is ready to implement the law? Unless our mindset is regulated and we are changed, our education system, हम संस्कार की बात तो करते हैं मगर उन संस्कारों को भूल जाते हैं शादी के टाइम पे। ये कहते हैं हमारी बारात का बड़ा अच्छा ध्यान रखो, ये करो वो करो। लड़की वालों के ऊपर इतना प्रेशर डाल दिया जाता है कि उन लोगों के पास उस चीज के वैसे निकलने का ना टाइम होता ना अपॉर्चुनिटी होती है। तो लेट अस हियर फ्रॉम मचेतिया साइड आल्सो।
Yes.
Sure. So I believe everybody here is kind of more capable to talk is the legal dimensions to the discussion. But what I would like to add here is, see,
Aditya, we are all legal minds, we are not so capable as you think. We are only legal minded.
so basically, see, marriages are something which is unavoidable as long as you are in India. These days,
Thank
see,
you.
नहीं, आप ना भी करना चाहो तो घर वाले कहते हैं जल्दी शादी करो।
Definitely.
exactly.
ये सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है इस देश में। ये तो अभी ऑल अग्री कि मैरिज इज नॉट मैंडेट, इट इज नॉट मैंडेटरी, बट पीपल, बट सोसाइटी मेक्स इट मैंडेटरी। इट इज अ चॉइस, इट इज अ मैटर ऑफ चॉइस। यस, कैरी ऑन अचित।
Yeah. So as long as you're in India, marriages are something on a larger scale. It is going to be a mandate for every young adult, and for both women and men. Today the scenario is just changed that if I consider 100 year back situation circumstances where marriages used to be majorly uh, kind of things, a setup where women used to be transferred from one house to the other. Men used to have their lives and women were just given off to them. This was what marriage used to be hundred of years ago. Today, what has changed is women have their say. Women have their authorities. Women have their, education. Women have their own earnings. They have their own assets. They have their own life. This has majorly changed in the institution of marriage. Now, when man and woman they are coming together, earlier there was just the opinion of a man which was leading the entire institution of family. Today we see the participation of women as well. So this change just started happening 20-30 years ago. Still marriages could be carried because there was a taboo with divorce cases. There was a stigma attached to the ending of marriages. So it was still being carried on by both the parties. But today, if you say I face a situation where I am not being given the rights to carry on my individual life and I am being asked to just submiss my life and my choices and my ambitions, I won't do that ever. Like, I will never agree to just canceling out all my dream plans and giving all of my energy to save a marriage. I will never do that. So,
Machete, you mean the independence of thought and low level of tolerance
exactly,
is one of the reasons that either the girls don't want to get married or they want to get married on their own terms. Is that
exactly.
what you're trying to say?
Yes, yes,
Also, I would like to say, add one point. Also, the growth of the number of cases, growth in the number of cases, जिसमें कि ट्रस्ट जो है वो बहुत बुरी तरह से ब्रीच होता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी जो चल रहा है सिया का केस, कितने लोग डर चुके हैं। इवन माई सन से वी वोंट गेट मैरिड, मम्मी प्लीज। तो ये एक बहुत बड़ा वो हो गया कि भाई मैरिज से लोगों का people want to refrain from marriage. Now the upcoming generation is
Scared of
getting a feel
marriage.
because I have two sons. I have two sons at home. So they अब उनके उनके अगर थॉट्स अगर पूछे जाएं उनके बातचीत से मुझे ऐसा ही लगने लगा है कि they want to say, they haven't said this explicitly, but they want to say that oh my god, डरते हैं भैया, अब हमें ये हेडेक चाहिए ही नहीं.
नहीं.
तो मैरिजेस में कहीं ना कहीं कहीं ना कहीं अब लोग इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हो रहे हैं. Be it
Yes.
from the be it
Yes.
girl or
Both
all
the
the more reason that
perspectives.
we should have a prenup agreement so that the girl knows. But when the girl is in love with somebody else, and then she gets married because of the, or she agrees to get married because of the insistence of the family, then where is the solution? That has nothing to do with this topic. You see, what the
Yes.
problem is that if somebody doesn't want to get married, then prenup doesn't come into picture. Prenup will come only when they're planning to get married, intending to get married, and decide to get married. So I agree with you. Though those situations are what Achitya said, that she wants independence. All these things are said and done. What the topic is whether pre-nup should be legalized or not legalized. And I agree
Sir,
with Malika when she says that because once the things are decided कि भैया ये मेरे पास है और इसमें तुमसे ज्यादा तुमको नहीं मिलना है. But nowadays the courts I have seen have this habit of awarding unreasonable मैट्रिमोनियल अवार्ड्स. एलिमनी पहले लमसम भी देते हैं और फिर मंथली भी देते हैं और फिर कहते हैं चाइल्ड का भी बच्चे का भी दो. सो विच हैज पुट पीपल ऑफ. But once the pre-nup agreement is there, then how far the courts can overlook that has to be seen.
सर सो ऑल ऑफ दिस इज ये सबको इसमें साथ देना पड़ेगा. ये एक पार्टी का काम नहीं है. एजुकेशन
लॉ बन
सिस्टम
जाएगा
को
तो फिर
भी.
तो सबके ऊपर इम्प्लीमेंट होगा ना.
हाँ जी सर,
जब
लेकिन
लॉ बनेगा
जैसे
तो हम तो यही डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कि उसको लॉ बनाना चाहिए कि नहीं बनाना चाहिए.
वो तो है, हाँ जी वो तो है सर, लेकिन ये पूरा इकोसिस्टम लगाना पड़ेगा. जैसे औचित्या ने
देखिए
कहा
कोई
ना
Yeah.
कि हमको ना सिर्फ स्कूल से, एजुकेशन सिस्टम से इसको एक
हाँ.
टैबू बताना पड़ेगा. जैसे हम कहते हैं ना, थूकना नहीं चाहिए बाहर कहीं पे भी, मतलब सड़क पर नहीं थूकना चाहिए, पब्लिक में नहीं थूकना चाहिए, खराब बात है. एडवर्टाइजमेंट भी होती है, इसको फिल्म्स में भी बुरा दर्शाया जाता है. तो वो पूरा एक इकोसिस्टम बनाना पड़ेगा कि ये खराब चीज है, ये बहुत बुरी चीज है, इसको स्टिग्मा बनाना पड़ेगा अब.
I
देखिए
still
कोई
say
भी
it, the
लोग
एंड
mindset of the people has to be changed because
yes
Modi ji
yes
started Swachh Bharat,
हाँ.
but you still see garbage spread all over the city. Why?
यस.
Because of our
I would
mindset
like
कि
to
अपने
make a
घर का
point
कचरा
here.
उठा
Yes.
के
कोई भी
I
पड़ोसी
would
के घर
like
के
to
आगे
make a
डाल दो.
point here.
Yes, Achitya.
कोई भी लॉ जब हाँ
Yeah. So as the discussions were going on, I heard one thing that despite making legal laws against dowry system, still we see the cases where dowry is being explicitly asked. Then again, some mentioned about the Swachh Bharat Andolan, where still we have some places where it is unavoidable to find the clutter. It's correct. It's true. It's very much evident. But the thing is, if we don't commence such things, if we don't take any actions against it, it won't ever be possible, sir.
and
If we
secondly
don't give this scenario to the society that this is something which you have to add in your life or this is something which you have to remove from your life, it
Interruption,
will
interruption,
never happen.
interruption. The law is there, but somebody has to go and lodge a complaint. The girl side
Sure,
doesn't lodge
sure.
a
It is
complaint.
there that there is a lacking in the implementation. I agree with you, and I believe it. There is something which is lacking there, but we need to take actions. We can't just stay back because that is not getting implemented in a right way. If we don't take the actions, it will never happen.
Yes, Achitya.
That is something I want to say.
yes I totally 100% agree with औचित्य because अगर लॉ इम्प्लीमेंट ही नहीं होएगा, मतलब अगर लॉ सामने लाया ही नहीं जाएगा. सी अगर हम लॉ की इम्प्लीमेंटेशन की बात करें, हमारे देश में सबसे बड़ी समस्या लॉ की इम्प्लीमेंटेशन को लेकर ही है. चाहे वो जुवेनाइल का गाड़ी चलाना हो, ठीक है, जुवेनाइल्स आज भी गाड़ी चला रहे हैं, गाड़ियां ठोक रहे हैं, थार स्कॉर्पियो की न्यूज आपको डेली मिलती है. तो कोई भी लॉ आता है तो वो पूरी तरह से इम्प्लीमेंट तो नहीं होता. ऑफ कोर्स उसमें रिफॉर्मेशन धीरे धीरे लाए जाने चाहिए, ठीक है. तो अगर ये प्री नप्टियल एग्रीमेंट वाला, अगर ये जो है इसको भी अगर हम लॉ बनाते हैं तो वी आर 100% श्योर कि वो डे वन से तो अग्री होना ही नहीं है, बिकॉज अभी भी when I discussed this with my some of my, see this is a very great topic, when I got to know about this कि ये हमारा एक पॉइंट ऑफ डिस्कशन होने वाला है, तो मैंने कुछ लोगों की राय ली। तो जब मैंने उन लोगों से पूछा कि भाई इसके बारे में क्या सोचते हो, who are soon to get married or who have got married or who are happy or not happy in their marriages, so I asked them and they were like, ये क्या तरीका हुआ, अच्छा अब ये भी होएगा। तो इट वॉज कंसिडर्ड, मुझे मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल, इवन माई ओन हस्बैंड, आई एम स्पीकिंग स्टोरी, ही सेड अच्छा ये भी, तो इट इज कंसिडर्ड एज अ टैबू। तो ये जब लॉ आएगा तो डेफिनेटली इसकी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में बहुत दिक्कतें आएंगी, शायद इसको डेकेड्स लग जाए पूरी तरह से इफेक्टिव होने में। लेकिन जैसा मलिका ने कहा कि इसको लेके वी हैव टू चेंज द माइंडसेट्स टू बी able to implement get this law implemented completely। देखिए अभी तक तो जुवेनाइल जस्टिस कोर्ट में भी भीड़ इकट्ठी है, क्यों? क्योंकि आज भी माइनर्स गाड़ियां चला रहे हैं, और सिर्फ गाड़ियां नहीं चला रहे, एक्सीडेंट्स कर रहे हैं, और उनके अगेंस्ट कुछ हो भी नहीं रहा, उनको बेल मिल रही है, दे आर गेटिंग बेल। साहिल के केस में, मैं साहिल की मॉम को जानती हूँ, मैं उनके साथ कोर्ट हियरिंग्स में जाती हूँ, आई हैव सीन दैट कि पहले इंटरिम दी, उसके बाद तो मतलब सवाल ही नहीं उठना चाहिए इंटरिम बेल का। तो जब वो अलाउड ही नहीं है उसको सड़क पे लेके जाना, तो वो लेके जा रहा है, और ना सिर्फ जा रहा है, वो मार भी रहा है। तो कोई कहने का मतलब ये है कि कोई भी लॉ जब एकदम से आता है तो वो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन तो उसका आप समझ लीजिए हमारे देश में तो नहीं हो सकता। जहां पर जिस देश में रिफॉर्मेटिव थ्योरी ऑफ पनिशमेंट चलता है, तो आप समझ लो कि यहाँ कितनी जल्दी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन पूरी तरह से हो पाएगा। तो इसके लिए हम लोग को माइंडसेट चेंज करने की जरूरत है कि वी हैव टू एजुकेट द पीपल राइट फ्रॉम देयर स्कूल्स, राइट फ्रॉम कि भाई कि बेटा मैरिज जो है सिर्फ एक वो रोमांटिक चीज नहीं है, कि रोमांटिसिज्म नहीं है, इट इज ऑल्सो अबाउट योर फाइनेंशियल,
Responsibilities and
yes, it
accountabilities.
comes with responsibilities। जैसे फंडामेंटल राइट तो एंजॉय करते हैं, लेकिन फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज का भी एक चैप्टर हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में है। सिमिलरली मैरिज में भी ये होता है कि बेटा सिर्फ आपको पेड़ के इर्द गिर्द गाने नहीं गाने, आपको मूवी हाथ पकड़ के नहीं देखनी, आपको इसके अलावा यू हैव टू बी फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट। अगर कोई ये होता है, ये सोच के रखना पड़ेगा कि बेटा अगर इसमें, क्योंकि यार कॉन्ट्रैक्ट भी होता है, हम कॉन्ट्रैक्ट भी साइन करते हैं, उसमें भी कहते हैं कि अगर ब्रीच ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हुआ तो क्या किया जाएगा। सिमिलरली मैरिजेस हैज बिकम ए कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नाउ। आजकल की बात कर रही हूँ, आज की डेट में मैरिज कोई यूनियन ऑफ सोल्स या यूनियन ऑफ फैमिलीज या हम साथ साथ हैं या हम आपके हैं कौन नहीं है। इट इज मोर मच मोर देन दैट। इट इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट स्माइल्स। फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है। इनफैक्ट अगर आप इसको कोर्ट तक ना भी ले जाओ, कितनी लेडीज कितने जेंट्स, मैं सिर्फ लेडीज की नहीं बोलूंगी, हस्बैंड्स का भी बोलूंगी, वाइफ्स एंड हस्बैंड्स, बेचारे वो उस मैरिज में ही रह जाते हैं, क्योंकि उनको पता है कि कोर्ट के चक्कर कौन काटेगा, कौन ये सब करेगा। लेकिन अगर उनको पहले से पता होगा कि देखो इसके पास ये है, इसके पास ये है, मे बी शायद वो कोर्ट भी ना जाए एंड वो अपने आपस में ही सेटलमेंट कर लें।
Yes,
Ma'am, there's
Shabla, can I
another
interrupt?
point
Can I-
that I
can I
would like
interrupt?
to make.
You just mentioned that Sahil's mother used to go with her. The law says the parents have to be punished. Why did she not hand over her son, who was driving when he was not allowed to the police? She's trying to protect him.
No, I'm
That
talking
is the
about
tragedy.
victim's mother.
See, that is the
Actually,
tragedy. When it comes to you, are a different person. When it is happened to somebody else, your mindset is different. I initially said that we have to change our mindset. We have
yes.
to change the education system. It has to be inculcated right from day one.
Day
Why
one.
in the Western world these things are implemented better? Because the law is implemented there. People complain. I have seen women complaining about their husbands who have cheated their employers, who have embezzled the money and brought the money home. They have lodged complaints against them. We
अब
don't
सर,
have that character yet. Our
हाँ
mindset कहता है इसको बचाओ, बस बचाओ,
सर अभी
मेरा बेटे ने
हमारे
गलती कर दी बट उसको बचाओ.
एग्जैक्टली
That
हमारे
should be
देश,
that has to change.
यस सर हमारे देश में की फंडामेंटल राइट है कि राइट टू मैरी भी, दैट इज ऑल्सो फंडामेंटल राइट कि मैं अपने पसंद के बंदे से शादी कर सकती हूँ 18 साल की होने के बाद, मुझे शादी करनी भी है नहीं करनी है। बट मोस्ट ऑफ द गर्ल्स डोंट इवन नो दैट दे कैन एक्सरसाइज देयर फंडामेंटल राइट, उनको ये पता ही नहीं है।
And
लेकिन
I would like to
अगर पता
add
भी
that
है,
this
अगर पता भी है तो वो ये करने से घबराती है कि मान लो अगर मैंने ये कर दिया तो मेरे माँ बाप मुझे घर से वैसे ही निकाल देंगे।
Shabla, you are a law graduate. You know child marriage is prohibited.
यस
How
सर,
many child marriages are happening every day? because nobody complains. If there is a
Nobody
complaint, law can
complains.
take
But
action
there is
only
a
then.
huge
Only
reduction in
then.
the numbers, I would say. That it has been limited to a certain locations, it has been limited to certain societies, but we cannot see that in mainstream society today. When I wasn't married, so and with childhood, so definitely it is not a mainstream thing anymore. So this will someday be a reality, definitely, but it will
Yes,
take some
yes.
Also,
time. But we
there's
have to
another.
take the actions,
It
right?
will require decades, I think, decades, because वो mindset को change करने में ही इतना time लगना है. लेकिन you're
Exactly.
right,
A
और सिंसियर,
century,
जब
I
तक हम
guess.
सामने ही नहीं लाएंगे law को, जब तक हम कोई चीज start ही नहीं करेंगे, तो वो कैसे होगी? मे बी हम अपनी अगली से अगली generation की life better कर सके ये सब करके.
Also, there's one
एग्जैक्टली
more thing
एग्जैक्टली
that I would
अनलेस
like
देखो,
to say about prenup.
लॉ
Yes,
लॉ
Malika.
कब एक्शन में आता है, जब somebody lodges a complaint. Without that, it doesn't come into the picture. Because
Yeah.
अगर because law is blind, उसको नहीं पता कि कहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, सड़क पे
हाँ.
कौन गाड़ी चला रहा है. The law doesn't know unless some accident happens or somebody complains. And
Okay.
यहाँ पर हमारे यहाँ जो complaint करता है, जो whistle blower होता है, he is the first victim.
All
Yes.
right. Respectfully, I think we're all digressing here and
Jessica,
there.
now you have to take charge because you are the hostess. You have to now take lead and say ki what should happen.
Yes, so
I
before that,
have a point
Malika
to
is
make.
saying something. Let's hear Malika.
Also, there are these things that have come up that before marriage, one of the spousal party is not aware of the other party's debts.
Yes,
One of the spousal party is not aware of the other party's debts, or after a couple of months of marriage, under duress, uh, falsify their signatures and take debts on their name. So this is also a concern. So also, I think if the prenup agreement is happening, credit scores, any debts that are taken, the financial character of the person should also be put forth.
yes.
So that could also be
All
helpful
yeah.
in
Malika, what
making
should happen? What should happen, or what I should divulge to my to be wife or something is not the issue. The issue is whether prenup should be legalized or not. And
it
if you
should
say
be. It
yes,
should
then
be.
It
why?
should
If you
be.
say no, why not?
If yes, it's for the simple reason that the assets one has built over the course of their career, say 10 years, 12 years, and then they're entering into a marital agreement with each other, they should protect their own, so that in the course of these proceedings, if supposedly things do not work out and things have to be dissolved, in the course of these proceedings, whatever they've built is not taken away from them. The agency of what they've built, everything doesn't just go into them 50-50. They retain some agency over it. And whatever mutually, if there are real concerns that certain assets should be parted away with, then that's all right. But the agency of taking the entire wealth that is built, or the idea that a party is entering into the marital agreement, मतलब उन्होंने छुपा के मन एक्चुअल मोटिव को छुपा के एंटर किया है ताकि वो सारा असेट पे कब्जा कर सके, ये थोड़ा सा क्लैरिटी आ जाएगा.
देखो, I have a case where the girl side, because the boy side insisted, they gave them a big car, but they borrowed the money, and when the because and then they stopped paying the installments. So when the loan company came to pick up the car, the boy said, "Say, गाड़ी क्यों ले जा रहे हो?" They said कि तो लोन पे थी, आपने इंस्टॉलमेंट्स नहीं दिए हैं. उन्होंने कहा था कि इंस्टॉलमेंट तो ये देंगे, अब आप नहीं दे रहे हो, गाड़ी ले जा रहे हैं. उस बात पे झगड़ा हो रहा है अब उनका कि आपने, उसने कहा जब हमने गाड़ी देने की बात की थी, वो आपको फ्री थी लोन से, ये हमने बात नहीं की थी. If you can't afford to pay the EMIs, return the car.
सर, तो ये मुद्दे की बात यही हो जाती है ना कि ऐसे लोगों को
You,
चुनना ही
no,
नहीं चाहिए,
Malika,
ऐसे
this
लोगों का
example I'm
बहिष्कार
giving,
कर देना चाहिए चुनने से
this
अपने
example,
फैमिली के लिए.
नहीं, this
ऐसे
example
लोग
I'm
जो
giving.
मांगते हैं और आपको
लेकिन आप
पता है कि
एक
यहाँ पे
बात,
देना पड़ रहा है, मत दो, दूसरी
एक
कम्युनिटी को
बहुत
देख
अच्छा
लो.
पॉइंट मेरे दिमाग में अभी अभी आया है. उससे इस प्रीनप इसलिए भी होना चाहिए कि देखिए, शादी होती है, टूटती है, उससे बेटर है कि इस तरह की शादी अवॉइड ही हो जाए. कई लोगों के
Exactly.
इंटेंशन ही ऐसे होते हैं शादी के, जैसा सर ने भी शुरू में कहा था कि वो तो एक लीगल प्रोस्टिट्यूशन का वो बन जाता है, ठीक है, चलो वो तो क्या बहुत ही एक्सट्रीम था, लेकिन इवन हमारे देश में भी शादियां यही देख के होती हैं, हैसियत देख के भी होती हैं, देखिए होती हैं, सबको पता है। तो इससे ये क्लैरिटी भी आएगी कि भाई इसके पास ये है, इसके पास ये नहीं, तो बाद के झगड़ों से बचा जा सकता है अगर ये पहले से क्लैरिटी आएगी, और कोर्ट के केसेस कम होंगे। सबसे बड़ी बात, हमारे देश में नेशनल जुडिशियल डेटा ग्रिड के हिसाब से अभी सुप्रीम कोर्ट के अकेले में ही 91,000 पेंडिंग केसेस हैं। वो शायद अब मैंने पिछले महीने देखा तो हो सकता है कि वो 88-89 हो गए हों। तो इसमें अब इसमें जो है मैरिज 40 से 50% के बीच में इसमें यही केसेस चल रहे हैं जो पेंडिंग है। तो अगर शादी ही नहीं होगी, अगर इन चीजों को लेकर के जब जब बवाल ही शुरू नहीं होएगा, तो फिर वो केसेस भी नहीं आएंगे। तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि प्रीनप से गलत शादियां जो हो जाती है, जो बाद में रियलाइज होती है कि अरे यार कहाँ फंस गए, ठीक है, तो वो भी नहीं होएगा। तो इससे मुझे लगता है कि बहुत सी कंट्रोवर्सी जो बाद में अराइज होती हैं वो कम, मतलब शादी नहीं होगी तो फिर अराइज कहाँ से होंगी कंट्रोवर्सी, लोग पहले ही पीछे हट जाएंगे।
In that case, I think the government should legalize living together system. Instead of pre-nup and dowry, वो चक्कर ही खत्म हो जाए. Because in living together, you're gonna kill.
यूनिफॉर्म
I
सिविल
would
कोड,
say.
उसमें भी लोगों को चैन नहीं है, उसमें भी लोगों को चैन नहीं है, लिविंग में भी इतने क्राइम्स हो रहे हैं।
So living must have conditions too. I'm saying just man and women, if they are getting together, they should put their conditions on the table. That is it.
यशिका क्राइम होने बंद नहीं होंगे, क्राइम होने बंद नहीं होंगे, बिकॉज एक प्रॉब्लम और भी है, द टॉलरेंस लेवल हैज गॉन डाउन.
डाउन
इट
ट्रेमेंडसली।
हैज कंप्लीटली गॉन डाउन, सो मच सो कि अगर किसी को बोल दिया जाए भैया ये काम कर दो, वो कहते हैं क्यों, मैं तुम्हारी नौकर हूँ, मैं तुम्हारे नौकर हूँ, खुद उठा के ले लो. That kind of a situation I have seen, because some people come to me for petitions. I have seen, I have just drafted a petition of mandamus because the cops were not taking any action against the girl side. इन्होंने एविडेंस दे दिया, कैमरा फुटेज दे दी, बट द कॉप देन आई हैव टू फाइल अ रिट फॉर मैंडेमस कि भैया उसको बोलो कमिश्नर को कि इसके ऊपर एक्शन लें. So that kind of situation people are facing both sides. I am not saying कि लड़के वाले दूध के धुले हैं या लड़कियां ही खराब हैं. It is happening because the tolerance level has gone down and our accountability in India is zero.
Sir, also the process, I would address the cohort here that the process also feels like a punishment.
I know.
The process, the main problem of this litigation being so lengthy is because the process feels like a punishment. जब आप रजिस्टर करने भी जाते हो कोई चीज, आपको मतलब उनमें बेसिक एम्पैथी नहीं है, उनमें बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं है, जो भी केस की डिटेल्स ले रहे हैं कि किस तरीके से लिया जाना चाहिए, किस तरीके का बात करना चाहिए, किस तरीके का टोन यूज करना चाहिए, क्या मैटर की सेंसिटिविटी है. सर इनकी जो भाषा है ना,
the only problem here is that our judiciary has to be little more efficient. And I will not use any other word because efficiency वाले
भाषा है
frustrate हो
ना,
जाएंगे,
आप
लड़के वाले
जब
frustrate
इनकी
हो जाएंगे.
भाषा सुनेंगे ना, आप विश्वास ही नहीं करेंगे ये पढ़े लिखे लोग ऐसी बातें करते हैं. तो आप
पढ़े लिखे लोगों में जैसे पीछे दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट ने दिया है कि आइदर यू रेस्टोर कंजुगल राइट्स और यू गिव इट डिवोर्स.
छोड़ दीजिए.
अब दिया हाई कोर्ट ने, बट कितने केसेस चक्कर में पड़े, लड़के वाले आते ही नहीं है.
हाँ.
So I agree
ये
with
non-show
I
by
agree with
the
Shabla
male
that
side
if
is
this something
very
has
bad.
to start, it has to start from my side. My mindset has to change. I have to be more considerate. I have to be more caring about the opposite side. Whether I'm a boy or a girl doesn't matter. But coming thinking of the other person is more important than thinking of yourself. Because once that feeling comes in the both the parties, the disputes will also be less, or misunderstanding भी कम होगी, because it is always difference of opinion or ego which creates all these problems. And if you see majority of the cases, difference of opinion and ego, कि मैं नहीं झुकूंगी जी, या मैं नहीं झुकूंगा, तुम करो, you say sorry first. So that kind of thing. But again, coming back to the same, whether pre-nup should be legalized, or I personally feel that they should legalize living together more than this pre-nup, because pre-nup पे भी problems आएंगी ही, because again the court is going to ask you for evidences कि मैंने शादी के बाद इतना कमाया, मैंने इतना नहीं कमाया, उसने इतना कमाया, उसने इतना नहीं कमाया, because 90% of the people do not file their correct income. They do not declare their assets correctly. So again there will be problem, and the girl side will know. She will know everything.
तो सर एक क्वेश्चन मेरा यहाँ पे, अगर ये आप
जी
मतलब सपोज इंडियन लीगल सिस्टम के लॉ कमीशन के आप पार्ट हो और आपको ये लॉ बनाना है, तो आप कोई दो पॉइंट्स बताइए जो आपको कंसिडर करना चाहिए ये लॉ बनाने से पहले। ये सबके लिए क्वेश्चन है, सर से स्टार्ट करें। ऑल्सो वी हैव टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट, सो
देखो
विद इन 10 मिनट्स हमें रैप अप करना है, तो
देखो देखो Jessica, the first thing that the court has to keep in mind is the age of the parties. At what age and stage the situation may arise. Number two, the status, financial status of both the parties. Because where one party is status is better, the other party is less, then the party with lower status can either be greedy or
on
somewhere.
that note,
It can happen
on
either way.
that note,
So the law has to consider these three things, the two things very, very carefully before they even think of making any
ओके
law.
आई हैव वन पॉइंट ऑफ क्लैरिटी। तो इंडियन या किसी भी सोसाइटी में या कहीं भी आप देखो, तो अगर शादी करने चलो तो ये सोचते हैं हमारे घर की लड़की अच्छे घर में जाए, अच्छे घर एज इन बड़े घर में जाए, तो वो डिस्पैरिटी तो हमेशा रहेगी। इट इज नॉट वेरी मच प्रूडेंट कि हमें सेम इनकम लेवल सेम फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस के पार्टनर्स मिले, या हम अपने से बेटर चाहते हैं, ये नॉर्मल सिनेरियो। तो अगर हमारे एसेट डिक्लेयर हो रहे हैं, कोई दोनों पार्टी एसेट डिक्लेयर कर रही है, तो ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि एक पार्टी दूसरी पार्टी को कंसिडर ना करे जस्ट बिकॉज दे आर फ्रॉम लो इनकम रेंज।
देखो 90% केसेस जो मैंने नोटिस किए हैं उनके अंदर ग्रीड, आफ्टर सीइंग सो मच ऑफ एफ्लुएंसी, greed takes over, because of which the things start happening. The girls become more demanding, and they don't even consider कि मे बी जो लड़के की इनकम थी या जो कुछ था वो सब दिखावा था, या उसके पेरेंट्स का था, या उसको पेरेंट्स सपोर्ट कर रहे थे, वो चीजें दे आर केप्ट असाइड। दे सिंपली से कि जी देखो जी ऐसे रह रहा है, ये ऐसे रह रहा है, ये इसका ग्रेटर क्लास में घर है, इसका बसंत विहार में घर है, इसलिए ये बहुत पैसे वाले लोग हैं, इसलिए मुझे आई डिजर्व दिस।
assumption बना।
So that is why I'm saying the state of financial status has to be considered of the boy, not of the family.
यस ओके नोट सबला जी।
Even my take is same here as sir said that there has to, and in fact यही होना चाहिए कि हाँ financial status definitely it has to be both the parties should be financially stable, because वो greed वाला जो factor आ जाता है जो सारा खेल खराब करता है, तो that should not be there, and this is what I would want to say for now. Up, you can.
So, if I would be the one making law, so two things that I would consider is that we have certain number of fundamental rights in our constitution, like right to education, right to speech, and all of that. If prenup is about making conditions of like it is all about that I survive well and the other party survives well. The first thing that it should include is that my fundamental rights are preserved at any cost, no matter what kind of society you belong to, what
और
kind of
जितने इंटरप्शन
sure.
फंडामेंटल राइट्स लड़के वाले नहीं लुक आफ्टर करते। आर्टिकल 32 में सुप्रीम कोर्ट एंड आर्टिकल 226 में हाई कोर्ट। फंडामेंटल राइट्स कैन बी प्रोटेक्टेड ओनली बाय दीज टू कोर्ट्स, दे आर द कोर्ट्स ऑफ रिकॉर्ड। हस्बैंड की फैमिली या वाइफ की फैमिली नहीं
नो
कर
सर,
सकते।
नहीं,
नाउ यू गो
फैमिली
अहेड।
नहीं करेगी, प्रीनप में हम इंक्लूड करेंगे ये चीज, तो वो लॉ ही करेगा।
नहीं, pre-nup with the condition, because you cannot take over the domain of the higher courts. I cannot decide I will protect yours, because that is the domain of the Supreme Court and High Court. मैं उनका काम नहीं ले सकता अपने जिम्मे।
So, my right to education cannot be protected by the courts that
No,
I have in
right to education is also protected by the Constitution.
Or just
case.
say
That is
that
also a
should
right
not
to
be
education act
violated.
जो बना।
It should not be violated.
Exactly. What I meant
Why
is that
उसके
I
लिए तो
shouldn't be
डिफरेंट लॉ है
refrained.
ना, उसके लिए तो डिफरेंट लॉ है, और वो राइट टू एजुकेशन अपनी वाइफ का।
I'm
नहीं,
not
but उसको
expecting the
violate नहीं करना है, उसको ये
ex-husband
पता
to
होना
protect
चाहिए,
it for me.
उसको
I
ये पता होना चाहिए कि मुझे लॉ, ये वो लॉ, ये मुझे जो उसका राइट है, ये मुझे वायलेट नहीं करना है।
नहीं होना
अगर
चाहिए,
मैं
मेरा
करता हूँ तो
रेफ्रेन
फिर
नहीं
कोर्ट
होना
है,
चाहिए.
अगर मैं करता हूँ तो कोर्ट है।
आपकी फैमिली वैल्यूज क्या हैं या क्या नहीं है, डजंट मैटर कि मेरा फंडामेंटल राइट मैं कॉम्प्रोमाइज करूंगी एट एनी कॉस्ट एट
Yes,
एनी
yes.
पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. तो दिस वाज समथिंग दैट आई
The
वांटेड टू
family
मेक.
should know, the respective families should know that we don't have to violate the fundamental rights of the other बच्चा।
बिकॉज यहाँ पे
जो
एग्जाम्पल होते हैं
mother
हमारी
has to
सोसाइटी
know,
में कि हमारे
mother
घर के
has
बहुएं
to,
काम नहीं करती।
एक
एक
second,
काम नहीं करती,
आप
आगे नहीं
सुनिए,
बढ़ती.
डेली अगर हम बात करें, अगर हम डेली बात करें, अगर हम कल्चर की बात करें, हम ट्रेडिशन की बात करें, अभी तक फंडामेंटल राइट्स का वोलेशन ही तो होता आया है, लेकिन बस रिपोर्ट नहीं हो रहा है। घर में जब शादी होती है, वो लड़की ये नहीं पहन सकती, वो बाहर नहीं जा सकती, उसको पूछ के जाना है, वो सो नहीं सकती, सोना इज नॉट, सोना भी राइट टू लिव का ही पार्ट है। शी कैन नॉट स्लीप
certain period of time she has to wake up at certain
हाँ,
time.
तो फंडामेंटल राइट यहाँ ब्रेक होता है। अगर इस चीज को हम क्लियरली मेंशन करेंगे ऑन पेपर्स, तो समवेयर दीज पीपल वुड नो दैट वी डोंट हैव टू वायलेट दीज लॉज, दीज राइट्स। अगर हमने ऐसा कुछ करा तो फिर
It will
इसका
lead to the end
वो
of it.
सहारा ले सकती है, वो जा सकती है कोर्ट्स में।
Exactly.
ओके,
And second thing that I would like to make here is that, as I mentioned, that there are cases where there are some false allegations. There are some cases where the spouse's party loses something, and where Ms. Malika mentioned as there was some debts and it wasn't mentioned already. So, second thing that I would like to make here is that you have to make it clear that no party loses their assets because of the marriage. Like if I am a boy and I own a house and I have built it on my own, then there is no contribution of the girl in it. She has no right to take it off from me just because the marriage is ending. And the same way, if the girl has certain assets associated with her and she has earned it on her own or with the support of her own family, the boy has no right to make any obligations on that, like it belongs to me too just because I was married to you.
यू सेड औचित्य कि मैरिज इज एंडिंग, मैरिज के एंड होने की वजह से किसी का कोई राइट का हनन नहीं होना चाहिए। आई वुड ऐड वन मोर पॉइंट, मैरिज हो रही है उससे भी उसकी फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए। अगर ये चीज, इफ दिस पर्टिकुलर, इफ दिस इज माइंड, तो दिस विल स्टे माइन ओनली इवन आफ्टर द मैरिज। इससे मेरे हस्बैंड का वो नहीं रहेगा, दिस विल बी अ वेरी क्लियर यू नो ऑन पेपर्स रहेगा। मैरिज होने से भी और मैरिज डिसॉल्व होने से भी आपकी एसेट्स, आपकी इंडिपेंडेंस, आपकी फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी, इस पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए। दिस इज व्हाट आई
दैट
वांटेड
इज
टू ऐड।
एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई सेड, दैट आज के बाद जो हम कमाएंगे वो हमारा आधा आधा होगा। मैरिज के टाइम पे जो जिसका है उसका है।
यस
That is
सर,
what I initially said, that
यस सर।
whatever I own at the time of marriage is out of this pre-nup agreement.
Just
And
one
The
point
pre-nup
that I
agreement
would like to
means,
make
Also,
here.
what my parents
I have
own
another point.
is out of the question.
yeah.
One more point. If
अच्छा
I
शबला
One
देखो,
more
अब आप
point
कह
I
रहे हो
would
ना,
like
राइट
to
राइट टू
add.
एजुकेशन, you did law during, you have two grown up kids, but even then you did law. Did you need to seek permission from your husband?
Not at all. My husband
Then
is very supportive.
then then this will not be a part of the new period fabric that is given under the constitutional right to live the way you want to live.
Sir, but this is
Yeah.
only which is getting harmed and violated
I
na,
agree,
when
I
a
agree,
girl
I agree. A
married.
lot of violations are happening, and it can be made a pre-agreement part that no violation will be tolerated.
सर लेकिन एक पॉइंट मैं
Exactly.
ऐड करूंगी, आई वुड वांट टू ऐड, जैसा सर ने कहा कि शादी के बाद जो हम कमाएंगे दैट हैज टू बी वही एक मैटर, वही एक कॉमन होगा। आई थिंक प्रीनप एग्रीमेंट्स, और मुझे पता है कि एक बार ये प्रीनप्टियल एग्रीमेंट का लॉ आ गया तो उसके बाद केसेस में डेफिनेटली कमी शायद ना आए और बढ़े। ये इस बात पर कि जो हमने कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी कमाई थी, तो अब इसमें किसका कैसे होना चाहिए, तो प्रीनप्टियल एग्रीमेंट में ये भी
फाइन
होना
होना
चाहिए
Mentioned होना
कि
As per
जो बात
financial
कॉमन
contribution.
प्रॉपर्टी होगी वो
As per
उसका डिवीजन
financial
कैसे होएगा,
contribution.
दैट हैज टू बी यू नो, उसको भी दिखाना पड़ेगा, शो करना पड़ेगा।
ओके।
तो This
देखो,
clause has to be.
This can be
now
a very
once you start
intricate
litigation,
topic.
you will realize that contracts and agreement. What is agreement is what is meant to be agreed. Whatever you people decide in the pre-nup agreement, because it is going to be between two parties. Agreement is always between more than one party. So whatever you decide will be written there. If you decide कि बराबर बराबर होगा, वो बराबर बराबर होगा. If you say 60-40, because whatever written in the agreement, the courts are going to respect that part only. So pre-nup agreement has to be tailor-made between the law, which has to agree कि yes,
Yes.
whatever pre-nup agreement is made, which is within the framework of law, will be respected and honored, and the
Yes.
courts are going to decide on that.
It
That's
has. It will
the
be
only single
customized.
Thank
question.
you, sir. Thank
Yes.
you, sir. Malika, your turn now.
I believe financial disclosures a big part, credit history, and like sir is emphasizing, and I would also like to emphasize. I concur with him. Whatever I own before marriage is mine. Whatever we bring in jointly, and that should be outlined. What we bring in jointly is divided in certain proportions in accordance to their contribution, and also what our parents own is out of the purview.
Hmm.
They should It should not be included at all, and there should be a way of documenting who gives how much gold at the time of marriage. If the woman brings an X amount of ornaments with her, that should be
वो स्त्री
documented,
धन
and
तो
there has
मलिका
to be
स्त्री
a
धन तो मलिका वैसे
conclusive
एग्जाम्प्ट
way.
है. स्त्री धन कैन नॉट फॉर्म ए पार्ट ऑफ द डॉरी और एनीथिंग.
हाँ,
हाँ
वो
जी,
नहीं है.
पर वो
वो नहीं है.
बहुत बार
स्त्री
मिलता
धन
भी
को तो
वापस
वैसे भी
नहीं है
कोई भी
ना.
लॉ उसको नहीं
Street
छेड़
is
सकता.
वैसे भी
वो
इवन
तो
separated
द
है.
है
कोर्ट्स
सर,
कैन
लेकिन वो
नॉट.
एक तरीका हो जाएगा डॉक्यूमेंट करने का. हमारे लॉ मेकर्स काफी
वो
शातिर हैं.
डिस्क्लोज नहीं करता ना
उन्होंने
कोई.
मैरिटल रेप बाहर रखा है सर, तो काफी
डिस्क्लोजर
शातिर
इज द
हैं.
प्रॉब्लम. माय
वो
डियर,
कैसे
डिस्क्लोजर इज द
करेंगे?
प्रॉब्लम.
वो कैसे करेंगे? वो उनको तरीका, वो एक डिवाइस करेंगे. जैसे उन्होंने मैरिटल रेप को बाहर रखा है, ये तरीका भी वो धीरे धीरे डिवाइस करके ढूंढेंगे. तो यही मेरे दो
That
सेंस है.
was a great discussion. Thank you,
वेरी गुड, वेरी
everyone.
गुड.
So now we can say अभी जितना डिस्कस हुआ है कि coming to the legal part, तो हम lawyers के लिए एक ये अच्छा मतलब I won't say अच्छा but yes एक अच्छा opportunity है, अच्छी opportunity है कि इन agreements इन केसेस के अराउंड हमारे पास अब ये है ऑप्शन कि हम इन फील्ड्स में भी अपना फोकस कर सकते हैं, इन एग्रीमेंट्स को ड्राफ्ट करने में, इन एग्रीमेंट्स को फाइट करने में, इनमें जो पॉइंट्स हमें डालने हैं उसको कितना ज़्यादा माइनर और कितना ज़्यादा मेजर बनाना है, वो चीज़ हम अपने पार्टीज के माइंडसेट के अकॉर्डिंग, उनके रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग उन्हें बना सकते हैं. तो एक नया फील्ड इमर्ज हो रहा है लॉयर्स के लिए अपना मार्केट बनाने के लिए आई वुड से.
न्यू प्रैक्टिस सर.
सॉरी.
You see,
न्यू
Yashika, the
प्रैक्टिस सर.
law, once a law is made, as the time progresses, because law evolves
Law
as per the
evolves.
day-to-day requirement.
Law
So, as
evolves.
the problem will arise, the amendment will keep happening because
Yes.
people
Yes.
become smarter than the law. So, then the law
Deformation.
changes that. So,
Evolve.
it will keep evolving. The
Yeah.
only thing is that the initial law that they make, it should be very comprehensive. It should be very user friendly. It should not be one sided. It should be fair to all the parties to the agreement.
Definitely, sir. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you for your contribution. Thank you for taking
Thank you for your
out
time,
time for this
everyone.
discussion. Thank you all.
Nice
Thank
talking to all of
you.
you.
Thank you,
You
Yashika.
had been a great participant, and lot of input I have received today. Thank you very much, all of you.
Thank you so
Thank
Achintya,
you.
you
much
Thank you,
did
for the
sir.
very well,
perspective.
and
Thank you, sir.
your social work has brought in a lot of input to this session, and I have realized that yes, what people go through for which they have mental problems is an important aspect which even the lawyers must keep in mind. Instead of हमारे यहाँ क्या होता है, ये तो पागल है जी.
Ah.
Instead of doing that, we should understand the person's mind. We should understand what the person is trying to say, do, and what he desires. is as important as the law itself is.
Yes.
Thank
Miss
you.
Mathur, a point of
Thank you, Yashika, for the initiative.
Thank you,
congratulations for
Ishita.
you. Your teachers are wonderful, and when I see
Okay.
someone who can stick around in law, I know it. So you're going to be a great litigator wherever you start.
Yes.
You
And
have
all the
wonderful
best, Shabla.
teachers. Your perspective is so clear about how you approach things. Very
Yashika,
few